And Quinn going for the end zone.
It's caught. Touchdown, Miami. Holy cow. 43 yards to Hail Mary. Robert Baker got the tip. It looked like he was laying flat on his back.
Can you believe this? Tony Dungy doesn't.
They're going to have to line up and kick the extra point. Just launch it up in the air. This is why you try not to catch it, but swat it away. That's the mistake. That is the mistake that Eric Vance tries to make. Instead of trying to just swat the ball away, he tried to catch it, and in doing so, it winds up on the ground and in somebody's belly.
Instead of knocking it down,
Yeah.
he ended up keeping it alive.
He wanted to get an interception. Instead, they wind